Alright, so let's do this. Alright, good morning everyone. It's your simple DJ of JCAD Radio.
My God.
New Year lang gihapon. I just want to greet you everyone a happy New Year. Today is January 1, 2025. This year, 2025, I'm aiming to gain more followers and mubalik o pagkaingon nila vlogger. Kanuhay kay baga mang jud ta tinodog naong. So why not balik tag vlog, create og content, saksak sinagol, any kind of content. I'm hoping to all of my followers, mantay subscribers outside sa YouTube na aday, no? sa Facebook lang on sani. I hope mo-grow ang akong simple nga page, not minding the monetization,
my God,
of my page, but to engage more and to you, my followers in the social media. Yes, no one cares, but why not? We are now in the contemporary era. Contemporary sana subject, you know, in the new era of social media, of technology. So why not use this opportunity, no? Because I have the ability. Charot.
Bola lang yan.
Bagatag naong, bagatag face nga. Tabian ta.
Kilala kong kaliskis mo, oy.
Tabian. I just observed 2024 nga, well, nagsugod ko vlog or video that was 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 6 years.
Aba matindi!
Na, I was not that consistent and walay klaro ang akong mga videos and vlog. But now this year 2025, I won't promise but I will do my best.
Bola lang yan.
To create content, vlog, whatever it is, no? Mag-vlog, man ganit na mag-count-count og mga shit, diba? Count tag guys, diba? Na, why not? Mukhaon sa ko.
Ano ka nasisira, ulo?
Dili tayo. So what will be my content? Saksak sinagol. And I will just post it. My past experience, ingon sila dili na isgutan ng past because past is past. Never discuss. But I have lots of videos in my phone nga natanggong, wala edit gibiktor lang. So I'm gonna post it all, hopefully. And I just want to ask you everyone for your support. Ay, dili dapat ko mag-aas ana. Dili dapat mag-expect nga mo support mo. Char. But I'm hoping, you know. And you share my videos for more, and then you go on my Facebook page, simple, and then you click the 3 dot, and then you add you invite all your friends.
Wow naman!
To like my page or to follow my page.
Wow!
What's the goal of this page? To update. Wala mong good ko i-update good.
Bola lang yan.
The goal of this page is to document on what's going on in my life. Yes, no one cares, but why not? And then if it
really, nigga,
it is sa mangilay. Then if it will get monetized, no, nanatay sweldo kuno. First is basta dili siya ingon ana dayon, diha dayon, but our goal is something to help.
Di mo na may bibigay yun eh.
So I hope you all guys, my gigs and everything here in the island, Bantayan Island, I'll update you all because mubalik ko pohon January 3 to Cebu to Consolacion. to finish my first semester, and I'll surprise you. Surprise.
Paano masabi?
With you what will gonna be happen next. Okay? Basta. We're going back to social media. We're going back to Facebook. We're going back to YouTube and any other social media platform to expose my handsome face. Handsome. Alright, so I hope you guys will support, love, you love. I won't expect. Di tayo mag-expect. Okay? Just do what you love to do and love what you do. Okay? Bye! God bless this year 2025 and the years to come. Simple verse. Peace. Bye. Happy New Year!